of my membership card as a member of NUP. This is the evidence. Madam in Chair, I have as well come with the original certifying copies from UNEP. The original academic credentials are all here, Madam in Chair. I'm so grateful.
Thank you. As we verify the documents submitted, we shall as well verify your votability, because that is ascertained from the data you have submitted from the national ID. So the commission is as well processing your votability. We assume you are a registered voter of Kawempe North. As the commission does the verification, please hold on and bear with us for that exercise as well. Thank you. Commission, I therefore ask, do we have the membership card attached? Yes. The national ID, yes. The cultural photo, yes. And the copies of academic documents. This is to